I think it's important for everyone to give back, particularly people in our communities who have been so blessed by the rewards available in the United States. And we have a social obligation to help those who are less fortunate. And besides, it makes us feel good. And if you've never done it, you ought to try it. What really inspired me to do this volunteer work started with an experience I had right after internship. I went into the Peace Corps as a Peace Corps physician to take care of the volunteers. We had experiences of not only helping to keep the volunteers healthy, but we treated locals, and the volunteers requested us to hold health clinics whenever we went out to visit them. And it was a wonderful experience.
When we participate in the campaign in El Salvador, there are clearly people in need of serious eye service. There are many, many eye diseases, and the physicians and people like me who can assist the physicians are really able to help the people of that country. When David and I work here in our own country in Florida, it is amazing to us to see how many people really don't have the resources to get proper medical care. And being able to serve people here in our own country is also very fulfilling.
In El Salvador, the people really lead a very poor existence. The living conditions for the patients that we serve are extremely primitive. They live often in metal tin-roofed homes. They don't necessarily have indoor plumbing. They might be pumping water from a well. That well water is not clean. No electricity. Some patients have come without shoes. Patients walk for miles to get to the clinic. They come, they sit for hours. Sometimes they sit for 6, 8, 10 hours waiting to be seen. They really live in very, very difficult conditions.
Well, if I could jump in there, in addition to all these economic problems, they are harassed by local gangs, which they're real murderers. They steal the children, and they make the children join the gang. And the initiation is that at age 9 or 10, in order to join the gang, they have to go out and murder somebody. And if they refuse to do that, very frequently they or one of their siblings or parents are killed by the gang. This is one of the programs that the organization we work with, ASA ProSAR, is working to combat.
Why we go beyond is a very difficult question to answer. I'm not sure there really is an answer. It's something that we discussed, and we knew that we had something that we could give to others, and doing it really didn't feel like giving it all. I think we learned more from the opportunity than we gave.
I think it's important for everyone to go beyond because the need is so great. It's unimaginable. Once you wade into this, it's unending. And while we can't necessarily solve everyone's problems, we really have to try. And the more people that can volunteer, the more people that will be helped, and we will have a better world.